Guys, are you ready to move to your new house?
I don't want to leave.
I'm not quite ready yet. Well, we gotta go today, so this is what our room looks like. And it's gonna look exactly like this in our new house. It's just gonna look like have furniture and gonna be way cleaner. Oh, and I got you guys a special wallpaper for you guys. Really? Yep. So you guys gotta see it. Oh, now I wanna go. Okay, let's go. You guys ready? Yeah. Are you
have
ready?
our stuff?
Yes, sweetie. I took all your stuff.
I'm scared though.
If we leave anything here, we'll make sure to come back. Okay? Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Oh my God, Mom. Why is the floor donuts? You guys don't like it? No.
We love it.
We love it. Oh, great. 'Cause I was kind of scared for a minute that you guys weren't gonna like it. I'm super glad you guys like it.
I could sleep on this floor without a blanket.
Oh, yeah. Oh, and it's not cold.
Oh, and it's so
Silly
warm.
kids. Well, I'm gonna go do the downstairs in the bathroom. You guys stay in here and I'll bring your stuff up so you guys can decorate. We can decorate our own room? Yeah, of course. Do you guys want to? Yes! That's not even a question. Okay, well, I'm gonna go get all your stuff and then I'm gonna start downstairs, okay? Okay.
Brother, let's just sleep on the floor. I love this.
I love it too.
Wait, what donut shall we lay on?
I wanna lay on the chocolate one.
I'm gonna lay on this blue one.
Guys, wake up! Your stuff is here. What the? How'd you get all that stuff in here without us even knowing? Magic.
Brother, I think let's check the name tags. Brothers, here you go.
Mine.
Okay, of course this is my backpack because I love kitties and doggies, and this says brother and sister.
Oh, okay.
So we each have to.
I think Mama got us something new, like this. We didn't have this. This is new.
Whoa, and it's so big. Can I climb? Oh, I think it's a climbing set to help us exercise.
I think this is where we can put our toys and stuff. This is so cool. We're definitely keeping this.
I know it was a climbing set.
No, silly.
I love the climbing sets though.
Oh, and we got a little couch so we can like hang out. Oh, I love
Put it on
that.
top of here.
No, that's dangerous.
But it's a better view.
Oh, Mom also got us a painting thing. I've always wanted one of those. And then we got our crib. Then we can put our bags up here for now till
we're ready.
Yeah. I'm this bed.
Crib.
Yeah, we get a crib. Hey, so you like your new stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love our new cabinet and our painting. Well, there's something else that's new. Really? Yeah. Let me go get it. Got you guys a new bed set. Oh,
I call Brown Book.
I don't care which one you call. I love it, Mom. I love it. I love it. Well, let's get rid of this baby crib since you guys aren't babies no more. You guys are my big kids now. Oh, well, I hope you guys like it.
I call Bottom Bunk.
Okay, sister, get out. You need to help me carry it.
I can't carry this by myself, brother.
I already did it.
Brother, this is so
I think
fun.
it literally matches everything in our room.
Even the donuts, because it has pink and blue. And this is pink and blue, and this is pink and blue donuts.
I think our room is amazing.
Now we just gotta get our bags.
Yep, time to separate our stuff.
That's me and yours, and this is mine, and that's yours.
Okay, we're gonna put this
Your
back
backpack's
here.
so.
Let's open our stuff and make sure everything is here.
What if Mom mixed up our stuff?
Hopefully not. I got my blanket, gonna put that on my bed.
Ooh, my muffin that I always wanted to come with me.
Got my little lunch.
How did Mom know?
Okay, so this is how we're gonna work. Okay? This side is your side. This side's my side. This is mine. This top one is mine. This bottom one is yours. And the middle one is both of ours. Okay?
Okay.
That one should be like our snack area.
Got a snack.
got my lunchbox when we start school. Oh, I got a snack too.
Yeah, it's also berries toy.
Okay.
I have no more stuff, so I have to wait for you.
Oops. Okay, what else? My water bottle for school. Put that in there.
Oh, you have way more stuff. Why didn't Mom give me full stuff?
Oh, not there. In there. And oh, I got some toothpaste. This is not mine. This is Mom's.
Mom mixed up your guys' stuff.
Yeah. Okay. This is right here.
Okay, we're gonna open that on 3.
What is this?
Music! I always wanted music.
Pillow. This can go on the couch when we want to lay on the couch.
Oh my god, this has to go in a charter spot. It's music.
This one is
Actually, I call this one.
This one's for school, so we'll put that in the school
Oh
one.
my god.
I got a toy hat. I don't remember having this, but I guess it was there, so that's mine.
Mom got me something new, and look at him.
Whoa. Anyways, and then the backpack up here for, I think Mom got us.
He's so cute.
And then we got a suitcase. I'm gonna go give this to Mom so she can put this away. Guys, I think we're done here. Guys, I'm finished with downstairs. How you guys? Oh my gosh. This looks amazing, guys. Thank you, Mom. We did it all by ourselves. Really? Yep. Do you like it? I don't like it. No? I love it. Really? You guys did amazing. Wow, we want to go check out yours, Mom. Okay. Let's go see. Okay. Here's the bathroom. Whoa. This place is cool. We got our towel with a little shower. I love the bathroom. The walls, this, even the flower. I love this.
Look at the paint.
Look at the carpet. Oh my god, it's so fuzzy.
Oh, look on it. Oh, yeah.
And then you got that stuff over there to your side. All there. Is this a bath, Mom? Yeah. Oh my god, we gotta take a bath. Well, we gotta try that out sometime, Mom. Of course. And then toys and bubbles. Bubbles. Love bubbles. Okay, you guys wanna go see the kitchen? It's nothing much, but it's pretty nice. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, and here's the bathroom. It's pretty plain right now, but it looks nice. Wow, I love the style. Oh, I love this carpet too. Ooh, it's apples. And then we got this. It's pretty boring in here, but this is where all the amazing food is born. Yes, it is. Anyways, I love our house, Mom. I do too.
I love this house, Mom.
I'm glad. I love it too. Anyways, it's pretty dark, guys. You guys want to take a nap?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love our new bedroom too.
Let's go.
I want to go take a nap.
Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe. Bye.